Hello guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to show you how to use a LCD display without the potentiometer. So I already have a circuit all set up here, and in my last video I made a video, the whole tutorial about how to use the LCD display. So now in this video I'm just going to be showing how you can use the LCD display without the potentiometer. And so if you want to see the tutorial on how you can use the LCD display with Arduino, I have a link down below in the description to that video. So here's the circuit that is set up right here, and so as you can see it has the potentiometer on that circuit, and so right over here is the potentiometer, and we don't want to use that anymore. So all we have to do is let's go ahead and take off the potentiometer, take off the negative, take off the positive to the potentiometer. Now the pin that was connected to VO to the potentiometer, that pin, all you have to do is connect it to pin 6 on the Arduino. And so that is all you have to do to remove the potentiometer from that circuit. And so overall, this is the circuit that is now set up. So now let's go ahead and see what we have to do with the code to make this LCD work without the potentiometer. Okay, so now here's the code that will be able to print out information on the LCD display without the potentiometer. But before I go through and just simply explain how we can avoid from using the potentiometer with the LCD display, is first I want to say is if you want to connect the VO pin to any of the other pins on the Arduino, you need to connect them with the pins that provide PWM, which are the pins and that have the squigglies next to them. So with that said, now we can go ahead and explain the code. So I'm not going to go in depth on the code because I did that in our last video. Go to our last video, which is in the description, if you want to understand more about this code and other things you can do with the LCD display. And so basically here we just include the library, and then we set up all the pins that are connected to the display. Right here, we put them all in variables, and then we give them all the pins to the LCD display. Then we go into the void setup, and we set up the LCD display. And then the first thing here is that we do, and this is the only line of code that we need to do to have the LCD display work without the potentiometer. And that is analog write 6, which is represented to pin 6 that we connected the VO pin to, and then we just say 20. And so we're basically giving it a PWM signal of 20. So basically that's all you need to do. You may need to change the number a little bit, maybe 30 to 20 a little bit, depending on if the LCD display is not bright enough for you. And so down here we have the void loop. We clear the LCD display from any old information that we may have on the LCD display, and just do lcd.print hello world, and then we come down to the next line of code and we just print hello world over and over again every 5 seconds. But overall, that's how you use LCD display without the potentiometer. If you like this video, consider giving this video a like. Also comment down below if you have any questions. Consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.